to your view trending news update from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Court clears Naira Marley, Sammy Larry, prime boy of involvement in Mohbad's death. Name those who prevented June 12 election declaration, Kalu tells IBB. Now the news in detail. A Lagos magistrate court sitting in Yaba, Lagos has cleared Nigerian singer Naira Marley, Sammy Larry, and prime boy of involvement in Mohbad's death. Recall that Mohbad passed away on September 24, 2023, leaving a void in Nigeria's entertainment industry. Despite a series of court trials and investigations, the circumstances surrounding Mohbad's death remains unknown. Moreover, Naira Marley, Mohbad's former record label boss, Sammy Larry and prime boy, a close associate, have faced allegations of involvement in Mohbad's death. According to the Lagos Magistrate Court ruling on February 25, 2025, allegations against Naira Marley, Sammy Larry and prime boy have been dismissed. Furthermore, the DPP stated that the prosecution will be filed against the auxiliary nurse who treated Mohbad, Peyi Shayo Gidembe, and Mohbad's friend, Ayobami Sadiq. In other news, the senator representing Abia North, Senator Orji Uzor Kalu, has asked former military president Ibrahim Babangida to call out names of those responsible for the annulment of June 12, 1993 election. In a memoir he launched last week, Babangida admitted that late MKO Abiola won the election 32 years ago, but Kalu urged him to publish a second volume of the memoir that would address unanswered questions surrounding the annulment of June 12 election.
But I'm waiting for second edition of that book, because the first edition did not bring out all the realities of what happened, especially when it concerned Professor Humphrey Wosu and the INEC and why it was. Babangida should tell those, call by names, not only Abacha, call by names those who stopped him from declaring June 12.
The former governor of Abia State also called on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to officially recognize the late Abiola as one of Nigeria's past presidents, urging that Abiola's portraits be placed alongside those of other former leaders in the presidential villa. However, he lauded the actions of former President Muhammadu Buhari for conferring a posthumous national honor on Abiola, but stressed that further recognition was necessary. And that ends the news tonight. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.